Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 best
tool belts.
Number 5.
Occidental leather 9515 adjust. Fully adjustable for pant waist 32 to 41 inch. D-rings pre-installed for use with suspension systems. Ham-specific tool holders promote maximum working rhythm on the job. Designed with hand-specific tool holders, 2-ply bags keep their shape. Tools are not included, made in USA.
Number 4.
Occidental leather 5089 M7 bag framer. Premium top grain leather, made in USA. Ham-specific tool holders promote maximum working rhythm on the job. Available in sizes small through XXX large. Copper rivets reinforce main bags. No spill tool holder system. Function engineered for the modern builder. Tools are not included, made in USA.
Number 3.
Occidental leather 8385 LG black belt. Contractor grade lightweight professional design. Three padded nylon and leather work belt for the desk comfort. Professional system maximizes working rhythm. Durable double-walled commercial nylon bags with leather reinforced corners. Tools shown in pictures are not included.
Number 2.
Task Tools T77265 Carpenter's Apron. Carpenter's apron with reversed, rounded corner pockets. Features 12 various sized pockets and 2 hammer holders. Two-inch wide heavy-duty saddle leather belt. Made of durable oil tan split leather. Carpenter's apron with reversed, rounded corner pockets.
Number 1.
Ox Tools 4-piece construction rig. 22 tool holders and pocket layout for perfect rhythm. Heavy-duty rivet reinforcement on all major stress points provides added strength, durability, and tear resistance. Top grain oil tanned saddle leather enhances feel and softness. 3. Wide leather tool belt. Fits waist size 29-46.